niya. Anong sabi niya? Huwag niyo naman daw ipa-hair follicle drug test si BBM dahil presidente siya. He should not suffer the indignity of a hair follicle test. Ano? Si follicle lang eh. Indignity na? Ibibigay mo lang isang hair follicle tapos wala na? Indignity na yan? When drug use and drug syndicates are a major problem in our country, ang president natin ay ayaw mag-lead the way into saying that stop drugs are bad for you, and we should fight drugs and fight these drug syndicates. Yung sona niya, meron ba siyang sinabi about drugs? Bakit? Hindi ba problema sa Pilipinas ang drug? Hindi ba problema? Malaking problema. Hindi lang yung nag-addict sila dyan, kung hindi maraming crimes committed by drug addicts. Okay, rehab. Pero maraming drug syndicates sa Pilipinas. And the president should lead the way. Lahat ng government officials, lahat sa national agencies at sa LGUs, magpa-drug hair follicle test. Oh, what's wrong with that? What's so undignified about that? Diba, mga akla? Indignity? My God! Indignity talaga yun kung adik ka. Diba? Kung adik ako, abay malaki indignity yun sa Pilipinas.